Welcome to San Francisco, the city by the bay, a place of innovation, history, and endless possibilities. Look at the Golden Gate, an engineering marvel since 1937, a symbol of hope and strength, reaching boldly across the Pacific. It's more than a bridge, it's an icon that inspires the world. Next, we see Lombard Street, known worldwide for its twists and turns. Some say it's the most crooked street in the world, a testament to creativity and the beauty of uniqueness in design. In south of Market, Oracle Park stands proud as the home of the San Francisco Giants, a place where legends are made and community comes together. San Francisco's vibrant energy is alive here. For iconic cable cars and bustling streets tell the story of this remarkable city. San Francisco is a city built on dreams, resilience, and progress. The skyline is a symbol of innovation. The Salesforce Tower, the tallest in the West, is a reminder of the city's forward-looking spirit. Across the bridge, a masterpiece connecting vibrant shores. A bridge of strength and beauty, it links communities and dreams. Beyond the waves of Alcatraz awaits a storied symbol of resilience and redemption. A reminder, no matter the challenge, this city rises stronger. As our journey ends, we hop back aboard the iconic trolley, a symbol of San Francisco's enduring spirit and history. San Francisco, a city of endless opportunity where dreams inspire action and history fuels innovation. Thank you for exploring San Francisco with me, a city of endless stories, inspiring innovation, and breathtaking beauty. This is truly the city that captivates the world's imagination. San Francisco, the city by the bay.